So I got some friends coming over, thought I'd just make a video. This is my friend's Cobalt SS, supercharged, pretty much full bolt-ons, just needs a secondary heat exchanger. Yeah, I hear a Subaru too. I gotta close the hood on the E30, but he's gonna let me take it for a drive. It just got a retune, nothing crazy, just so that it runs a lot better. So I'm gonna take a ride. It's fun. I actually give this guy. I'll give a look under the hood.
Oh shit, wait, what? Both Justins are here.
Oh, nice. It's a WRX. It's actually pretty sick. It's full bolt-ons, dyno tune. So it looks pretty stock, but it's quick enough.
It's loud as shit.
But between me and you, this Cobalt's probably faster. It looks so good.
Dude, everything's fixed on here now. Yeah. Fuel trims and everything today.
Looks good.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna take a ride in the supercharged Cobalt. All right, I'll see you later, Jack.
So happy right now. It's not like pig rich anymore. 6500. My injectors are 98%.
You're maxed out. You shouldn't be over 80% duty cycle.
He said I'll be fine if I keep it
Yeah,
around
I mean,
6,000 at most.
I mean, you'll be fine, but it's not ideal. That's for sure.
Once I get the 80s though, he said we'll go 85 right away. I don't need anything else besides the 80s for that. First gear, even when it's dry, is still scary. And I have the 50% boost reduction right now.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
What are you at?
It's just 50% for first gear. Then everything else maxes at like 14.
Holy shit!
She's scoops, boy.
Yeah, this thing's fun.
When it's dry out, it gets so much better traction and it goes.
Yeah.
But it's not bad.
It gripped pretty good there.
For being, yeah, I was gonna say for being wet out, it's
yeah.
not bad.
Jimmy's here. What's up, boss?
What's up, man? How have you been?
Oh, very, very well. Justin, let's run it, K.
Look, Alex, check this out.
Oh, you actually cleaned it up.
I cleaned the whole thing, bro.
I don't
Like, look under
the
here.
ride looks dope on here.
You got yeah, hey, let me see those paddle shifters.
Take off the thing that made the blow off.
This man is not stock.
The resonators. Take off the intake resonators again. It's just stupid.
You can hear it. Wheel drive, dude. Holy shit.
My mom's gonna fucking kill me, bro.
He's sick though, eh?
Dude, my mom is gonna beat my ass, dude.
Alright, my turn.
She just bought my tires. Oh my god. Wait, what
Oh
is
shit.
that?
Amazing. How did you get, when did you start drifting, dude? This is crazy.
I've actually been drifting for quite a while now. I'd say probably like 4 days.
Oh
my god. My mom bought me the car like 6 months ago, and I'm just now starting to learn how to drive it. Yeah, she just put new tires on it, so it's a little bit easy. It's a little bit harder to slide. I mean, obviously after this, I'm gonna have to tell her to buy me new tires, and if she doesn't, she's a fucking.
Where'd this guy go? What
Hello?
the fuck? Nice cord.
Is there?